Hello, brilliant students. Now let's look at this problem. You have to find dy dx if y equals to e raised to the power of square root of x and y equals to x squared e raised to the power of 2x. So how do you do this? The first thing is to know that if you are given this function y equals to e raised to the power of x, the y dx is the same thing as e raised to the power of x. All right, so and whatever you have at the power here, just find the derivative and multiply it by e raised to the power of x. The derivative of x is 1, so 1 times e raised to the power of x is still e raised to the power of x. So now let us now look at the question given to us. So we have e raised to the power of square root of x. So let's u to be equals to square root of x. Don't forget, square root of x is the same thing as x raised to 1 over 2. Okay, so now let's find the derivative of u with respect to x. So we have the u dx is equals to 1 over 2 x raised to power of 1 over 2 minus 1. And the u dx is 1 over 2 x raised to power of negative half. All right, can you see that? So you can tidy it up this way. So we have 1 over 2 square root of x. All right, so now let's look at this. Y will now be equals to e raised to the power of u because we have changed this to u. So now the y, the u will be what? E raised to the power of u. That is what we're going to have. Okay. So now let us now find the y dx now. Now the y dx equals to the y, the u times the u dx. All right. So what is the y du? Now the y du is e raised to the power of u times the u dx is this. So we have 1 over 2 square root of x. All right, so and that's the same thing as e raised to the power of u over 2 square root of x. And don't forget, u is the same thing as what? Square root of x. So that means our final answer is e raised to the power of square root of x over 2 square root of x. So that is the answer to the problem. All right, now let's look at the second one here. Y equals to x squared e raised to the power of 2x. Now this is function of function. Okay, so now we start by saying let u to be equals to x squared. So that implies that the u, the x, is what? 2x. So when you differentiate this, so these two comes here, you take away 1 from 2, the power here, so you have x raised to the power of 1. Okay, so now, and let's say v equals to e raised to the power of 2x. So now the v, the x here, do you remember? So you are going to have this as the answer. I will find the derivative of the power. Now the derivative of 2x is 2. Okay, so that means our answer will be 2 e raised to the power of 2x. All right, so then now we can now go ahead and find the y dx. Now the y dx is u, the v dx plus v du dx. All right, so now let us plug in the value. Now u is x squared, so we have x squared times the v dx is 2 e raised to the power of 2x. So we have 2 e raised to the power of 2x plus. Now, v, what is v? v is e raised to the power of 2x. So we have e raised to the power of 2x times the u, the x. The u, the x is 2x. Okay, so we have 2x. All right, so now we can tidy up things. Now this is 2x squared e raised to the power of 2x plus 2x e raised to the power of 2x. Right? So we can find the GCD of these two terms. All right, that is what 2x. So that gives us 2x open bracket x e raised to the power of 2x plus e raised to the power of 2x. All right, so this is the answer to the problem. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.